let's slow down on need to. And this one I want to explain with a little story first, because I think it makes the feeling very clear.
Please.
So imagine you're watching your friend get ready for a job interview. She's about to walk out the door, and you look at her and you notice there's something on her collar, a stain. Not big, but visible. She doesn't know it's there, and you say to her, "Wait, you need to check your collar before you go."
Now, who made that rule? No one. There's no law about collar stains. Your manager didn't tell you to say that. It came from you, from your own observation, from your care for your friend. You saw something, you understood the situation, and from inside your own understanding, you recognized this is necessary.
That's need to. It comes from your perception, your assessment, your personal sense of what is required in this moment.
Real life, please. Here are 3 need to sentences. You need to rest. You've been working nonstop all week. I need to call him. Something feels off and I'm worried. She needs to hear this. She's been blaming herself for something that wasn't her fault.
Do you hear it? In each of those sentences, the person speaking is making a judgment. They're saying, I have looked at this situation, I have understood something, and based on that understanding, I believe this is necessary. It's coming from inside them.
And need to often carries a slightly warmer, more caring quality in conversation because it's personal. It comes from someone thinking about the situation themselves, not just following an external rule.
Let's try the contrast pair now. Same situation, both expressions, so you really feel the difference. Situation: you have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. I have to go to the doctor tomorrow. This suggests there's an external reason. Maybe someone made the appointment for you, maybe your employer requires a medical certificate, maybe your insurance said so. The appointment is a requirement coming from the outside. I need to go to the doctor tomorrow. This sounds like your own recognition. You've noticed something in your body. You've been feeling off. Your own inner voice is saying, this is necessary. I need to do this.
Same action, very different story behind it, and both are completely correct and natural. You're just choosing which version of the story you're telling.
I want to share something here. I remember when I was first becoming really aware of how I spoke English, beyond just being correct, I started noticing how native speakers choose their words not just for accuracy, but for feeling. I have to call my mom tonight versus I need to call my mom tonight. The second one feels more urgent, more personal, like you feel it in your chest, not just your calendar.
That's such a beautiful observation. Language is emotional, and the more you tune into that, the more naturally expressive your English becomes. You stop just translating from your language into English. You start feeling in English.
That's the goal.